Hey guys, for those of you who don't know, I'm Tori.
And I'm Liz.
And we're Live.Travel family. And today we're pretty excited because we are very close to leaving on our full-time adventure.
Yay!
Today we are actually getting our Live.Travel family along with our logo on the back of old Merv, our camper. So we're going to make an introduction to a great guy I found here locally in Denver that does a lot of vinyl decals, a lot of stickers. So if you're interested in that stuff, stay tuned. We're going to get an introduction from him and see the process of how you should properly put decals and stickers onto your camper or RV.
And also we're going to have more videos coming out later about how we got to this point, how we decided to go full-time, and all of our experiences and challenges that we've had the past several months getting to this point. So those videos will come.
So stay tuned and let's go see what we have going on. All right guys, so this is Dave. I'll let him tell you a little bit about himself.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Dave with Mile High Campers, and we have an RV vlog as well, and we also do a lot of how-to videos. And today we're going to be doing a how-to video on how to install some custom vinyl graphics on the back of their RV.
So you guys stay tuned and we are going to let him get to work, and I'm going to show you guys a little up-close view. He's going to go over some techniques on how to do this, how to properly do it. That way if any of you guys are buying your vinyl graphics from somewhere, maybe online or something, I suggest buying it from him.
Yeah, feel free to reach out to me if you guys want. I do custom graphics and all kinds of stickers, decals, vehicle graphics. So just reach out to me and all the info will be in the description.
So, you know, if you guys want to buy some vinyl decals, he's going to walk you through how to properly put them on your RV. So, let's get to work.
All right guys, so first step, obviously we've got to clean this surface. So I'm going to do a test piece of the fiberglass right down here. I'm using denatured alcohol. I've never had a problem with denatured alcohol. I know a lot of people like to use isopropyl alcohol as well. But like I said, we're going to give a little test here to make sure we're not going to damage the fiberglass. And as you can see, it looks fine. So now what I'm going to do is prep the surface here above the Sportsman logo. We're going to get it nice and clean, and then we'll go ahead and install the graphics. Alright, so when you order a graphic from me, I'm going to try to make it to where it's going to lay in one piece, which is what we've got here. We've got the Facebook logo, YouTube, Instagram, their tagline, and their logo. Okay, so I'm using painter's tape so we don't have any adhesive issues with the tape on the fiberglass, no big deal. I've got it just taped up here for the moment. We're going to measure from each side to center it, measuring from this black trim to the blue on the Facebook logo, and then we're going to be measuring from the trim to the E right here. That's how we'll get it centered side to side. To get it centered up and down, we're going to be going off of the flat portion of the Sportsman letter, and we're going to be going up to the blue line. Therefore, we should be able to get it nice and centered up and down. All right, now we've got it centered side to side, so we're going to go ahead and center it up and down. All right, so the first step now that we've got it centered, we're gonna go ahead and tape the graphic down the middle. And if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that I refer to this as the hinge method. And basically it's a way to easily install the graphic without getting bubbles, and you do not need water. I see a lot of people on YouTube installing the graphics with water, and you really don't need it, and we're gonna show you how to do it right now. Okay, so we've got our hinge here. I'm gonna go ahead and take off our holder tape, and I'm gonna peel the graphic back like this. And I'm gonna remove the transfer mask and the graphic from the backing paper up to the point of the hinge. Now I'm gonna tear the backing paper and just pull it off. Now I can just take the transfer mask and the graphic and we hinge it just like this, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start in the middle, go down, middle, up, middle, down, middle, up, and we're gonna slowly work the hinge down. We're gonna squeegee down the graphic really well. And now to do the other side, all we're gonna do is remove the hinge. And then we're gonna remove the backing paper. And I'm actually gonna hold it like this. You don't have to, you can peel it all the way off. It just gives you more of a stable place to hold. And then we're just gonna go middle out all the way down. And I'm going to peel the rest of the backing paper off. Then I'm just going to squeegee the graphic down really well. Go over the whole thing one more time. And the nice thing about doing it this way and not using water is then you don't have to worry about this peeling up, because sometimes the water will cause it to peel up. Unless, you know, if it's warm outside, you probably can get away with it. If it's cooler outside, I really wouldn't recommend using water unless you have some kind of really crazy surface. This is a nice surface on this RV, so we shouldn't have any issues. We just peel the masking paper off. And we're done.
All right guys, so you saw how easy at least he made it look. It's actually not too difficult. But if you guys want to do it yourself, again, check out my video, check out Dave's video. I'm going to link all of his information below. So if you guys want to get a hold of him, have him design your logo for you, have him design a graphic, contact him, ask him, you know, details of what'll fit, what won't, what looks good. He's awesome to work with. I highly suggest it. He does great work, as you can see. Luckily, I'm here locally in Denver, and before we hit the road. So if you're swinging through Denver, a lot of people, this is your stop. So if you're going to swing through Denver, make sure to hit up Dave, and he'll get you hooked up with a cool graphic. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and comment below if you guys have any questions for him or me, and we'll make sure and get those answered. And then go ahead and subscribe. See ya.